So okay, let's start as we start every weekend, analyzing a video about our goal as looking always trading also on a goal. So we're gonna start as we know that there is no luck. For first introduction is there's no luck in trading. You need to understand. If you've been learning through YouTube and blogs, of course you can learn the basic, but the real learn, you only can get the education through your mentors. You need to consider that in your mind. Okay, you can find a good mentors. Remember only one thing: do not get scammed. And always, once you have the mentorship, you learn from your teacher face to face, one on one, in the group, not just a clip of video. Okay, all right, so we're gonna analyze about gold. Gold has made a all-time high and high and high. So as we know that the weekend has been done, so we're gonna start from the weekly chart frame. Okay, maybe this video could be a little bit longer than usual, but I want you to pay attention and look this video till the end, because this video is only not for all for just one day trading. It's gonna be for a whole full weekend, from tomorrow till next Friday. So I hope you understand and pay attention to watch this video till end. So we're gonna start as weekend is being done and gold has made his move to all the way top to the mountain. You can say like that. Okay, always remember, whatever you do, you need to enjoy whatever you do. It's work, trading, or whatever you do. Okay, you need to understand, you need to have fun. So okay, there's a lots of gap right here, right here. So gold is keep right flying. Gold has a movement from 1 second consolidating and 3. You see this triangles, okay, and these triangles. So gold has really unique move, and sometime without retesting, a gold has moved jumping up without any reason. So that's even the technical, whatever we learn, we don't understand what's going on, right? And the fundamental also, sometime you look at the dx, what is that called? We call, yeah, dxy here. If the dxy is going down, we look for the gold go up. If the dxy is going, the dollar index go up, the gold is go down. But sometime the dxy going up, gold is also going up. But so you never know what to do. I've been saying 3 things in my session all the time, even on my live. I keep saying there's nobody can predict 100%. So please only trust yourself. You learn to earn. Pay attention. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we look for support and resistance breakout, and we wait for the pullback. And remember, the most important is never chase the market. Never chase the market. Never ever. Okay, let's start. Too much. As we know that we have the all-time higher right here. I'm gonna make simple lines, very simple. This is the old. This is our support. This was our resistance on a weekly time frame. And traders, we look for, we're gonna go to smaller time frame also soon, but we need to make a lines which is gonna help us to identify where the price can, what price can do, and what we have need to wait. So we go have resistance here, support here, and the previous high resistance. And now the gold, we're gonna put this horizontal line on the wick, exactly where the price has been reached. The price has reached 25.86, right? So we're gonna jump back to look the monthly chart. For example, monthly chart frame, what we have here, Okay, simple strategy. When we look at the higher time frame, we're gonna count down to bullish. 1, 2, 3. 1 bearish. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 bullish candles. Simple common sense. What is the trend? Let me know in a comment. Okay, what is the trend? Let's go back to daily time frame now. Okay, weekly we got higher resistance and we have a support. So the daily time frame, what we're looking at, we have now, forget about the bottom, we look at the present chart right now here. The big enough, clear is good. So we need to understand this was the support, was a resistance, this all-time high, this resistance being break, so resistance become support. So we call R, I'm sorry about this, just to name it, it's very important to have a note. RBS, resistance become support. So the methodology is simple. When price go breaking high, previous high, and continue fly, we look for to pull back and we entry, right? This is what we learned, the technical. Simple is that. Go higher, pull back, and the previous high is gonna break here. This breaks up and price go new higher. And what we do there, if price go new higher, we look for retesting back and to go price either continuation to new higher high, or if the price did respect here the previous high, price can go back and break this support, retest and continuation down, that the trend is changed. Okay, this is two happening. Okay, in the normal technical, even this technical work on a daily time frame, higher time frame, or even you look at in a 1 minute or 5 minute time frame to do scalping. Okay, you need to understand that. All right, but in my opinion, if you do a higher time frame to look for a probability to win rate, a higher time frame, I think you're gonna be successful, because higher time frame, the high candles, it works in a 4 hours, so one candle for 4 hours. Daily candle strength is for 1 day, so you can have your week to week, body to body. So I'm not gonna show everything is here because this is just a briefing, but if you really want to learn from me and want to be profitable and success and make money just like me, you need to take mentorship. Okay, and it's not free. All right, let me know in a comment. You can follow me on Instagram, link is in my description, and send me a DM. All right, so we continue now. So we have RBS. We're gonna measure, this is new, you can say new resistance as I name it. And if price break, maybe call here now support. This one is support. Okay, for example, one more, we put this one more support. If in case this support it doesn't respect, price can clap this time. Really bad, could go down. Okay, we have these lines. Okay, and we don't know further if gold go further 200 pips, 300 pips, we don't know because it keep jumping up. So what we are looking for, we have resistance, RBS not being retested. We go smaller time frame, which is 4 hour now. Okay, this is 4 hour now. Support, RBS, and the new resistance. 4 hour. Now you gotta see simple. I'm gonna just make this box look like in a yellow color. So I think you can see that the price was in a ranging all the time. I explained this in a previous video also here. It was ranging and break. When break, it's gonna go high. As you can see, I also send on my Telegram free signal on Friday night because I felt the confirmation. It's not that you get the confirmation on London session or Asian session or New York session. It could be the confirmation, could be after the session when the news hit. But when it happened, you need to execute it. This is all take patience and times. Okay. And that's the key. Patience is really the key and the right time when you enter the trade. Okay, so I give it a trade about 72 here. This look like tiny to you guys, but here, about here, 60, right here, 71, and from here 130 pip was taken. I give it a free signal from VIP also, and myself also. I made it a profit. So yes, you can decide what you really want. We're looking for here, look at the gap is here, what happened, and we're looking for the fair value gap. But we can look for if the price, we have this 1 hour time frame. We're gonna go to one hour time frame now, and we're looking for the price to what we are hunting, where we can sell and buy. Simple as that, right? So let's see just we're gonna put this parallel channel. For me, my opinion, I always does this. Okay, this is like for me still rising channel, west channel. So if price is coming, I know I want to do, if price is going this, momentum, price can keep continue and break up and still go higher high. And maybe when the seller are still thinking the price has gone been so high, so we can sell and use our luck, or hope to win maybe 20 pip or 30 pip or 10 pip or something. So maybe that's really risky. I always suggest people to do not chase the price, do not run, don't just just need to wait. Maybe your heartbeat goes higher, so because price is gone so much high, and here is price is not been retesting because we have this order block right here. Sorry, I'm gonna make it the clear thing. So we have this right here, the order block here, and price is jumping from here because you can see beautifully in even 1 hour it was a huge range area, and when this resistance is breaking right here, price continue to go more higher, and this range brings you about, I guess, from here to there. Look at this, like almost 520 or 30 pips just from here. Okay, 500, that's a lot. Okay, anyway, so what we're looking for, where we can do, what we can do on Monday. Okay, pay attention, look at this, what I'm looking for. On my opinion, we need to look very closely to the candle movement. Okay, one thing is very clear, that this RBS is still valid, this one is still valid, order block is still valid. So what we are looking for, the price to retrace, right? If price want to retrace, and maybe there is a still seller right here catching, or people already sell, have like 20 to 30 or 40 pip running, what price can do? They want to make a trap, right? Market does not want to give money so easy to anyone. Okay, so what market can do, there's two things only possibly happen. One, this high, this wick, liquidity sweep. If market go down, definitely you buy. Of course, that's the buy sign. So second thing, if there's a seller is already here and they have a stop loss still here, or maybe break even, what market wanna do? Market if open, play, is gonna fly up. It's gonna fly, trap more buyer maybe, and very quick collapse down because this RBS order block. I hope you understand. This only two reason. Market cannot go continuation to go higher and high. So we look for the confirmation. So we go back 4 hour time frame. I really suggest you guys to stay on 4 hour time frame. We're looking for a breakup If the market is slow down, we look for this breakup first. Or there we have one bearish candle, but if the market go down, break below, do not sell. Market comes back, take this high with the liquidity, you sell. Looking for the right movement, you know this HNS. When you make the strategy, you always need to follow your strategy and wait for that strategy to create the patterns in the chart. Okay, so now we have two reasons where we can buy and where we can sell. If price is reaching another 200 pip, gold range has at least 120 to 30 pips range actually. All right, so you need to be, when you're doing trade, you must know that gold when jumping high in a early time, what is the range. So you can calculate that as well, or if you don't calculate, you stay with only two rules: breakout, retest, entry, confirmation. So here I don't see 4-hour time frame, we don't have much a trend line. 1 hour time frame, if we make it a little bigger, 1 hour time frame, if we try to put it in a trend line right here, where we gonna do the trend line? Right this. Okay, we have the trend line. So we have this trend line. Market is, you see, it's just rising or falling wedge pattern after jumping this much high. What are you expecting the price to do? Let me know in a comment. The comment is really important. Why? As I said, price is ranging, and this one does not look like the price wanted to go down. But in the technically, I keep saying this again, this price want to break this, retest it wanted to retest this price. If price retest, market can go all the way down because there's a huge gap is open. Anything can happen. Anything can be happen. So there's nothing 100% anybody can predict. But do not chase market. 3 strategy: do not chase market. Wait to break out. Wait for a pullback, confirmation, and then you enter. This is all things. Okay, simple as that. I'm gonna come back to daily chart frame now, and here we have perfectly what exactly I want to do. For me, my opinion, what I'm looking for: bull candle, bullish candle. So if the price here, I'm looking for a buy, get out. If price go more higher, I'll wait, because new resistance here, this new resistance again has been broken. New resistance break, so the resistance becomes support. If I want to do still continue, price come back, but it's so high, it's really scary to, when price return, I really need to be buy here. I made a question, buy like this, price is really going rapidly, so it's kind of scary. So if price go up, I think I definitely want to sell this time here. 110% I'm gonna sell it, because there's a huge gap, and might price gonna make a little bit here a range area, and price might play this area for a while, maybe break down to retest this whole area once again if price wanted to continue more higher, 26 above or nearby 26. Okay, well, this is simple strategy, simple analyze for people who really wanted to know what's going to happen next time. So simple strategy is the best, and I think if you keep it simple, stop chasing, wait only. Waiting and patience is the key, and right time, because you have to look at the market. You cannot depend on anybody. If you're following on a Telegram and waiting for somebody to drop the signal, that's a big mistake. But because if you have the education and you do by your own, if you lose by your own, maybe it's gonna hurt a bit, but if you lose by through somebody, it's gonna hurt you a lot more. So I suggest to get education and trust only yourself. And I don't think so it's really difficult. Once you have the passion to learn and you want to do it, you could do it. You can do anything, whatever you want. Alright, so I hope you understand. Simple one, but if you really want to know the inside like other VIP people does or my student and they're in profit, all you gotta do, drop me a DM on my Instagram. The link is in my description, and let's get started. Thank you.